All right, welcome back. We took a look at what a Google site could look like, and now we're going to get into a little bit more of how to actually start a Google site and play around with the home page and get that started, add some pages, and get our title and web address together. So we're going to go to the grid, Google Sites. Remember, you can type that in. You can type in this right here, or you can go to even more at the bottom if you don't see the icon. I prefer the new sites, but if you would like to check out the classic sites, it's just a preferential thing. I think the new sites is a little bit more modern and probably more appealing to my students who are going to be viewing my site the most. So when you open it up, you're going to see the title. You're going to see a big white space here. This is going to be kind of like your front home page. Over here, you're going to have your tools. And so this page is for insert. This page or tab is for pages. And this one is for themes. So you can change the theme of your font and style and whatnot. Let's just call this Field Day Fanatic. I'm going to expand this a little bit. Looks a little crammed. Enter site name. I'm just going to repeat that for right now. And I'm going to share this. This is kind of like an end piece, but I do want to make sure that my name kind of matches with the web address. So when you publish it, it becomes live. And so you can start sharing this and people can start searching for it. But right now there's no information except for my heading. So I'm going to go to publish, and we want to get an address. So right now it simply says that Field Day Fanatic is available. And unless you actually buy a domain name, I take that out. You're going to stick with this for right now. We're going to stick with basics. So you'll have this as your web address, and that's what you would share to your students or to other coworkers and whatnot. So I think this looks pretty good. If you were to change it, you could try to change it and see if it works. If it's unavailable, it'll give you another suggestion, or you would have to type in another suggestion and see if that's available. But that works for me. So I'm going to keep that, and I'm going to publish that. So let's go ahead and let's see. So let's go ahead and change some of these themes. Which one would be good? Actually, let's get the background in there first. So let's go to change image. You can upload an image if you would like. If you have something on another file, you can select an image. They've already got a preset gallery, which has some nice designs. Some are elegant, some are simple, some have different patterns. I'm going to go to search right now. There's some other resources that you can use to get images. And what's nice about Google is they've already went ahead and filtered out some of the images that you would have legal issues with if you were to use and didn't give credit to. So they've already filtered it out for commercial reuse with modification. So you don't have to worry about any issues with the images that you find here. I'm just going to type in Field Day. And this looks pretty good to me, but you can obviously do some more searching. Perfect. Looks pretty great. One of the things you're going to first notice when you do that is there's this adjust for readability. So it'll kind of dim the background if your letters are too much like the background. So that looks pretty good, but if I wanted to change it, it's just going to make it very bright, which is nice and vibrant, but you can see how this white kind of blends into the sky. So I do want to adjust so that the viewers can view it a little bit more successfully. And let's just say we want to put like a goal or some subheading in here. There's a few different ways you could do that. You can go back to your tools, and go to Insert, and you can click on Text Box. That's one way. Or you can double click and you'll get this icon, this setup of options. And so you can add an image, you can upload something, you can grab something from Google Drive, or you can embed other tools. Right now, I just want to go to text. Let's just say something like resources for teachers and students. So it's pretty brief. I do kind of want to center it, and I do want to enlarge it a little bit. 7. Okay, that's pretty good. I'd probably want to put more, but that is pretty successful for right now. Yeah, I guess I'll keep that the same. You could change some different things if you'd like. Something about that looks nice. Okay, so you've got your home page. Now if you want to add another page, we're going to go to Pages, and we're going to add a new page. Let's just say the next page is going to be called Games. So it's already creating a page for me with the title that I just put in. You'll see it over in this section, but you'll also see it in the heading area, and it's another page or kind of like another tab that you can click on. So that is how you do your homepage, your title and heading, your web address, and adding additional pages. From there, I can add more text or do a little bit of embedding from different sources. So I'm going to share with you how to do that on the next video of how to embed. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy.